If you have a pear-shaped body, this video is for you. I'm going to give you 10 tips and tricks in order to maintain your fitness levels and be fit and healthy with a pear-shaped body. Before heading towards the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am Somya Luhadia, health and nutrition coach, and this is a GET Fit community wherein we help women develop a good and a healthy way of living and take up means that help them stay aware, be knowledgeable and know more about their bodies. So if you want to be a part of this community, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And also I come up with lots of programs that are full body transformation programs and lifestyle development programs in order to get personalized meal plans and workouts that help you develop a good lifestyle and get full body transformation. You can definitely join my latest program. The link would be there in my description. First and foremost tip is to move yourself and get involved in some cardio activity. And when I say cardio activity, Zumba workout have given great results, and research has shown that for pear-shaped body, Zumba workout have proven to give great results. So yes, most of the time with pear-shaped body, most of your weight is situated in your hips and your thighs area. So when you go with Zumba workout, you are able to burn fat with good nutrition planning. Going for 30 to 40 minutes of Zumba session is really fun, enjoyable, and you burn a lot of calories too. Second tip has to use methi water in morning. Now methi water, that is fenugreek seeds, that are very easily available and have been utilized for its medicinal properties since ages, and in our ancient time we used to use it to reduce the blood sugar levels. Now when you use fenugreek seeds, what happens, it releases insulin, and as a result your blood sugar levels are reduced, and you keep your food in your body for a longer period of time, and as a result you don't feel hungry constantly. So your sugar cravings are reduced, and also you don't have that urge to eat again. So you're able to maintain that calorie restriction and you're able to maintain your weight at the very same time. Methi water can be a very good addition to your diet that will help you restrict calories to consume. Having said this, methi has a slightly thermal effect and slightly warmth tasil. So you have to consider it consuming just 2 to 3 times a week, because moderation is the key. So there are few exercises that gives you great results when it comes to your pear-shaped body. Few of them are squats, lunges, butt kicks, then we have high knees, then we have donkey kicks. So these 5 exercises when added to your workout plan can give you great results when it comes to pear-shaped body. It cannot spot reduce, but definitely engagement of lower body muscles is what we can achieve with these exercises. So you have to understand of reducing your calorie intake and taking calories that are right for you and fulfills your deficiencies is what's important when it comes to fat loss. So yes, calorie restriction is what you should focus on. The calories should come from 3 important categories, that is healthy fats, healthy carbs and protein. Now protein is something that you can get either from vegetarian sources or non-vegetarian sources, but focus on getting complete protein. That means soy, legumes, chia seeds, stem. For these are the sources of vegetarian complete protein sources. When you are non-vegetarian, go for eggs, go for chicken breast, you go for fish. So all of these are the sources of complete protein. Now when you talk about healthy fats, we are always focused on avocados, sweet potatoes, we are focused on unsaturated fats coming for almonds, nuts. So all of these things give you fats that are unsaturated that help you get energy throughout the day. Then comes to healthy carbs, that is getting high fiber that keeps you full for a longer period of time. That means complex carbs, whole grains, millets. All of these things give you energy for a longer period of time, keeps you fulfilling, and as a result you don't consume more calories because you are full for all the time, and you are able to maintain your calorie restriction. Intermittent fasting has been helping so many people to lose fat and make sure that they get good results when it comes to weight loss, because it's a lifestyle pattern. When you go for intermittent fasting, whether it's 14 hours, whether it's 16 hours, even if 12 hours, you're able to put your body into a fat burning machine. I have so many videos on intermittent fasting, you can check them here. I've been practicing it since ages, but definitely after 12 hours, your body goes into a fat burning mode. And if you do fasting for like 14 hours, you are able to create that window for your body to burn fat. And as a result, you are able to burn more fat. So intermittent fasting is something that will help you you get great results when it comes to getting rid of the extra fat deposits that's there on your saddlebags, under your waistline. So make sure that you practice intermittent fasting, and it's very easy. 12:12 is anyway we are all doing it. If you're not able to do 16:8, that means 16 hours of fasting, then you can definitely do 14 hours of fasting window. Can be a great game changer. So yes, try intermittent fasting for yourself. Keeping your active to passive ratio high, that means at least achieving 10 to 12,000 steps a day.
Really?
This is very important when you have a pear-shaped body. The most vulnerable part of our body is our lower body. So if you sit for a longer period of time, you tend to gain all the weight on your hips and your thighs. So you will have to keep yourself moving after every half an hour or after every 45 minutes. Make sure that you walk for at least 5 minutes. When our ancestors used to have a high active to passive ratio, they were always under the sun. They were doing all their jobs by walking, and they didn't need not to have a special tracker or something to count their steps. They used to do more than 15,000-16,000 steps a day. However, now we are in different time and age, we have different jobs. So in order to keep ourselves consciously reminded of walking so much, just make sure every half an hour or every 45 minutes stand up, walk for at least like 10-20 steps and then sit down again. This will increase your active to passive ratio and for sure will give you great results when it comes to your pear-shaped body. Next is alcohol. We all know that alcohol is not good for your body. Whenever you consume it, prolonged use of it actually leads to fat coagulation in the most vulnerable parts of your body. That means you see a lot of belly fat developed for people who have consuming alcohol for a longer period of time. But if you are a pear-shaped body, your most vulnerable areas are your saddlebags, are the hip area and your thigh area. That means those are your vulnerable centers, fat centers of your body. That means when you consume excess alcohol, you are more likely to coagulate fat at those vulnerable centers, fat centers of your body. So you have to consider limiting alcohol consumption. At least once or twice a month is good to go, but if you're consuming it regularly, you will have to reconsider your regime, because that's not healthy. Limit your sodium intake. Sodium is as harmful for your body as sugar. If you're consuming excess sodium, it increases the blood pressure levels and it exerts a lot of pressure on your heart, and as a result there can be many other repercussions that leads to cardiovascular diseases. So limiting your sodium intake can actually be a very important step to live a healthy and a fit life. Make sure that you limit your diet with minimum sodium as possible, like soy sauce, ketchups. All these sauces and the processed food that comes from outside has a lot of sodium, and especially the Chinese food that we get from outside has a lot of sodium. So if you be aware of it and if you check the labels correctly, you know how much sodium it has, and once you know it, you will be aware of consuming it as well and limiting its intake as well. So yes, limit your sodium intake to get good benefits when it comes to your pear-shaped body or living a good life. Added sugar is something that's bad for you, whether you have apple shape, whether you have pear shape, any shape and size. Added sugar is not good for your body. And we are not talking about kids, because they need energy, they need flavors as well. You are a grown-up that can understand the importance of taking care of yourself. So you should know that added sugar is nothing to help your body with. So definitely avoid having added sugar in your diet. You can definitely go with natural sugars, like sugar that's come from dates, seeds, nuts, then your fruits. All of them comes with lot of sugar already. You need not to add more sugar in it and then subject your body with more and more sugar, because more the sugar, more the cravings, and as a result you will not be able to maintain your calorie restriction. So yes, avoid processed sugar, avoid added sugar. So one very important secret that can actually help you walk this weight out is your walking after every meal. This can be a real game changer. 20 minutes after every meal if you walk, I can assure you that you are able to manage the most difficult parts of your body, and especially if you're a pear-shaped body, walking this weight off is important. So just go for 20 to 30 minutes walk. Even if not 20 to 30 minutes, go for 10 to 15 minutes walk after every meal of your day. That can be a great game changer. Try it for yourself and I can assure you, you can get some great results. So these are 10 tips and tricks that can help you with pear-shaped body and achieve your fitness regime with a particular shape. Having said this, all shapes and sizes are beautiful and you need not to overthink on them. The only thing why we are considering different shapes and sizes and coming out with the fitness regimes is that you can target different actions to get targeted results. So if you're a pear-shaped body, you know what is working for you. If you're an apple-shaped body, you know what's working for you. So we are considering that to give out results in a longer run and give out healthy ways and means to tackle your body. So that's it about today's video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be a part of the GT Fit community, because in this community we come up with things that help you live a better and a healthy life, and I want each and every woman to take good care of themselves, and that's what was the initiative to begin with this channel. So I hope you like it, and yeah, that's it. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy. I'll see you very soon. New videos in every Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every Monday there will be a workout challenge, every Wednesday there will be an info talk, and every Saturday is a surprise. We are going to have a walk and talk sessions. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope to see you very soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy.